It's 4 a.m. right now and I'm about to go wake up Anya.
One thing about Anya, she does not believe in simply waking up. We actually have this little morning ritual that she came up with when she was little and somehow we've never stopped doing it.
If you are new here, hi, my name is Valeria and we are sisters.
Bags packed, everyone mostly awake, and we're officially on our way to LAX.
Anya, ready?
Yeah.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but Netflix invited Anya, my husband Kirk, and I to Los Angeles for the Avatar: The Last Airbender premiere.
Right, we just landed and I'm about to go to the hotel.
I had one little surprise planned because Anya had absolutely no idea Kirk was flying in separately from work to join us. Now, you'd think she'd be excited, but instead, she was mostly upset because he was late according to her schedule.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry.
We got picked up in what felt like the nicest SUV ever, which definitely made us feel way cooler than we actually are. And then it was straight to the hotel to drop everything off because there was one very important stop we could not skip. We checked into the hotel, dropped our bags, and immediately started getting ready again because yes, we came all the way to Los Angeles and our first stop was the gym.
She says I died.
Okay, first stop was actually food because lifting weights while starving sounds terrible. Since we were in LA, we weren't just going to any gym, we had to visit the YoungLA gym. I feel like it's almost a requirement. Everyone felt like family from the second we walked in and we got a full tour of the facility, and honestly, this gym is insane.
Go. Okay.
Bag day was on the schedule because traveling doesn't count as an excuse to skip workout, so we got a great workout in, filmed some fun content, and somehow still had enough energy to go explore Hollywood. Anya's mission was to find Michael Jackson's star, and about 2 miles later, mission accomplished. After that, food tasted even better than usual, especially after being awake since 4 a.m. And this is day 2, day of the premiere. Originally, we wanted to drive out to Venice Beach and visit the legendary Gold's Gym until Google Maps kindly informed us that traffic had other plans. 2+ hours was a hard pass. So instead, we grabbed coffee, walked around Rodeo Drive, and soaked up as much LA as we could before getting ready. Huge shout out to our amazing hairstylist Susie back home who connected us with Asmik at the very last minute. She came straight to our hotel and absolutely worked magic. The dress code for the premiere was to represent your favorite nation. Anya had been planning this for weeks. She was fully committed to Team Fire Nation, which honestly makes complete sense considering she chose Prince Zuko. And you know, it's her villain era, at least for the beginning of the series. Then it was finally time. We arrived at the Autry Museum. Huge shout out to Kingsley and the Netflix team for guiding us through everything. The entire premiere was outdoors and every single detail was unbelievable. We had our very first green carpet moment and our very first Getty images. Still feels weird saying that out loud. There were photo ops everywhere, props, costumes, sets, temporary tattoos. Anya obviously picked Fire Nation, I went Water Tribe, and then Kirk betrayed us all and chose Air Nomad.
Now on your forehead.
We got Appa hats, met so many amazing people, and honestly just kept looking around thinking, how is this real? But there was one moment I will probably remember forever. We never told Anya that Dallas, who plays Prince Zuko, was actually there. And if you know Anya, you know Zuko is her absolute favorite. The funniest part, Dallas actually walked right past us once, and Anya completely missed him because she was busy looking everywhere else. Thankfully, Kingsley, Terry, and the entire Netflix team somehow made the impossible happen and caught him between interviews. The second Anya saw him, she ran over and gave him the biggest hug. Then immediately started showing him her dress, her purse, her nails, I mean, basically the entire outfit. Dallas was so incredibly kind. He even showed her his version of the Fire Nation salute, and ever since then, she refuses to do it any other way. We met so many talented people, content creators, the cast, voice actors from the original animated series, even Gaten from Stranger Things. Meanwhile, Anya spent most of the night trying to get Daniel Day Kim's attention by yelling, "Papa." Papa. Which makes perfect sense because in the show, he's Zuko's father. Then it was finally time. We got to watch the very first episode of season 2. No spoilers, but wow, the visuals are absolutely incredible, the bending somehow got even more impressive, and getting introduced to Toph, if you know, you know. Eventually, the night came to an end and Anya had officially reached her heel limit. Started calling herself an old granny. The next morning, we were already heading home, not quite ready to leave, but already talking about everything we'd experience, and of course we watched Avatar on the flight home. They only had the animated series, which honestly I could watch 100 times and never get tired of. Looking back on this trip, it's hard to put into words just how grateful we are. This was an experience we'll remember for the rest of our lives, not just because of the premiere, but because of the incredible people we met, the kindness we experienced, and getting to share every moment together as a family. So thank you, Netflix, for giving us an experience we'll be talking about for years, and LA will definitely be back. There's still so many places we want to explore. If you enjoyed coming along on this adventure with us, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support our channel, and if you're new here, we'd love to have you as part of our little family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next adventure.